In this video, I will show you how to download Fortnite on PC. So let's jump straight into it. So to download Fortnite on PC, it's really easy to do. All you need to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to Fortnite.com. Now the website's going to look similar to this, and what you want to do from here is come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see this yellow download button. So go ahead and give that a click. What it's going to do is open up a page like this, and on here you want to come down and click where it says get it on the Epic Game Store download now. So click this button here, and what that's going to do is download the Epic app onto your PC. So you just want to give it a minute or two to download. As you can see, the Epic installer has now finished downloading. So what we're going to do is click this to run the setup wizard for the Epic launcher. Here we are on my desktop, and all you want to do now is just run through and install this on your PC. Once the launcher has finished installing, just double click to open the Epic Games launcher. Now, when you initially do this, if there's any updates available, what it's going to do first is download and install any available updates. And once the updates are finished, what it's going to do is launch the sign-in screen. So what you can do at this point, if you don't have an account, is scroll down and create an account. Or if you do have an account, you can go ahead and sign in here. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the home screen for the Epic Games launcher. As you can see, Fortnite is just down here. Now, if you can't see this, you can use the search box just up here and search for Fortnite. Then, of course, give it a click. And what you can then do is proceed to download this on your PC. So once you come across the game page, if we just get rid of these pop-ups on the side, you can see I've currently added this to my library, but it's going to say add to library here. So we click there, and basically once it's in your library, you're going to be able to install it just like so. So you can choose whether to auto update and whether you want to create a shortcut, and then press the blue install button. And what's going to happen is Fortnite's going to go ahead, start installing on your PC, and of course once that's finished, you'll be able to go ahead and play Fortnite on your PC. So that is how to download Fortnite on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.